Let's talk about styling options for the shop. So I'm inside of the shop and I'm going to click Edit, and I can go back to the previous page by clicking Manage Items, or I can click this pen icon and modify my look of the shop. So I can change the width, full and inset. So full in this regard means that it's going to span the whole container of the site of the browser, leaving the small margin that we previously set up in the site spacing settings. And inset means the actual width of the website plus a little margin. So shop spacing works a little differently than the general spacing, so keep in mind that for the inset option you're gonna get this little margin here. You can modify column spacing, row spacing, you can show and hide title, select the number of columns, select the aspect ratio. For example, I would like it to be square, and change the text alignment and change the color of the section. Shop works as a section, so you can add additional sections above and below this shop section. Let's open one of the shop items, one of the products, and let's go to, you see it inherits the color theme of the parent shop grid. And here we can edit design or edit product. Let's edit design. It sends us to the design and product items menu, and here we can edit all kinds of things. You can set it to full, to inset, and again, full and inset inside of a product item work a little differently again, because it gives us this little margin. Aspect ratio of the photo, we can change the width of this gallery. Content, align the content to top or to center. Select a stacked option if we'd like to have it as a long scroll of images, or carousel. Form width means the width of this cart, add to cart button. Can enable light box on a click, hover action, and zoom. Let's go ahead and edit the product. Save these options. Let's go ahead and edit the product. In the product you can add multiple images for this main gallery. You can add tags and categories. Price and variants. You can add a custom form for each of the products. So when somebody adds this product to cart, they're gonna be asked to fill out a custom questionnaire, which you can totally customize. You can add a thumbnail image. This thumbnail image will appear in all your summary blocks and in the main shop grid. You can edit SEO settings and social image, social preview, and share your product on social media automatically. Like when you add a new product, it's going to be pushed to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. And additional info works just as any full width page. So we can expand it, and right now we can add any of the basic and advanced blocks, just as we normally would do on a shop page. So I'm going to show you my own shop page. Studio shop. So in my own shop, this is the gallery, the shop gallery, and this is the long, the full width page. Additional info. All this content is nested here, lives here. All this long content, and then accordion, and you might also like section. I created it inside of the additional info by adding spacers, text, images, and accordion. In order to edit fonts of this section, we'll go here, go to the advanced, and you see right now it's showing us the product detail page. We can also modify the sizes and fonts. Like if you select custom style, you can select a different font, browse the Squarespace font library, and completely customize the fonts on this page.